welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikal. For those of you who are joining me for the first time, I am so excited. It's 2:05 in the morning. If you guys don't believe me, I want to show you on my phone. So yeah, I was sitting in bed watching Friends and scrolling through Instagram, and I found a picture that kind of gave me like bronzy vibes, and so I was like, I need to film a tutorial, which never happened. So I got up and I decided that I'm gonna just film this look for you guys. I'm actually so glad with the way it came out, but I promise you this is so beginner vibes. This makeup tutorial took me the longest time, but I'm so glad that I decided to do it, and I'm so glad that I get to share it with you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna quit my chatter right now and yeah, get to the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna start off first with eyebrows, and I'm using this brow kit here, and I'm gonna be using the darkest shade, which is that one there. So the glitter, now we're gonna do the glitter. I don't know if it's gonna stay on my face, but we're gonna try. See, this is the stuff like makeup artists do, and I just don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna try. Thank the Lord that I didn't do my foundation, because now I would just look like a freaking Christmas ball. final look. I'm so glad with the way that it came out. Firstly, because I struggle so much. Like, this is never me on a normal day, and I really enjoy creating those looks because it pushes me out of my comfort zone. So yeah, a big note to make for beginners like myself is make sure that you do the eye makeup before you do the foundation. So make sure you apply the glitter, and then you apply your primer, and then your foundation, because the glitter gets on everything and it's a total disaster if you do it afterwards. But yeah, I hope that it's easy enough for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, I would really appreciate it. And if you thought that my blending was good enough and you are a makeup artist, or if you just want me to check out your channel, please do leave a comment down below and I will be sure to do that. I find so much inspiration from Instagram or YouTube, and I mean, although I've never like done makeup classes and I basically don't know what I'm doing, I think watching YouTube videos and all of that just helps so much more, and it's so much more interesting to just sit here and create something when you have no idea what you're doing, like me. But yeah, thanks again. And if you guys are wondering, I have been trying out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and it's been such a bomb. I'm so happy with this product. And also a huge shout out to Smashbox for sending me this palette along with a few other products. This is the LA Covershot Eye Palette. And if you are in South Africa, they have just launched smashbox.co.za, so you guys can go directly onto their website and buy your favorite products if you can't find it in store. So yeah, that's all from me. Please don't forget to subscribe like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Anyways, thank you guys. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.